Best sheds designs for a DIY built sauna. Number 1. Gizo Sheds designs for a DIY built sauna. Our storage shed is built to withstand any weather. Constructed of sturdy steel and high-quality resin, it's waterproof, UV resistant, and won't rust or peel. Your stuff stays safe. This resin shed comes with a heavy-duty floor that blocks rainwater and insects. Just make sure the installation surface is level or build a foundation. The resin outdoor storage shed is designed for your convenience. The sloped roof adds space and prevents water/snow from piling up. Side window for light, lockable door for security. It comes with 2 boxes and detailed instructions. If you have any questions, our friendly customer service is ready to help.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. Devoco Sheds designs for a DIY built sauna. The sloped roof is designed to prevent rainwater from accumulating, and the lockable door is designed to keep your property safe and prevent some small animals from accidentally entering. Resin storage sheds have a sloped roof, which increases the space inside the shed and prevents water and snow from accumulating. Side windows provide plenty of light so that all items are visible. Lockable door design ensures security. Our sheds are made of steel frame construction and polypropylene resin plastic. The resin is waterproof, UV resistant, stylish, rust resistant, and non-shedding.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. Yita Sheds designs for a DIY built sauna. The lockable door design offers anti-theft protection. Skylights and semi-transparent side windows facilitate natural light, while louvered windows promote air circulation to prevent moisture buildup. A sloped roof effectively drains water to achieve extended durability. All-weather durability, crafted from high-quality thermoplastic synthetic resin. Our Yita Home plastic shed is resistant from fading, corrosion, water, and UV light, so it's durable in diverse weather conditions. 16 mm thick double-layer resin panels resist warping and cracking for long-lasting use.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Wellias Sheds designs for a DIY built sauna. Engineered for convenience, the shed features a sloping roof to prevent water accumulation and a lockable door for enhanced security. With flexible door options and thoughtful ventilation through vents and windows, the design balances functionality and aesthetics. More than just a garden shed, this unit serves as a multi-purpose space. Whether storing tools or providing a cozy home for your pet, it adapts to various needs, making it an ideal companion for a range of outdoor activities with your family. Crafted with 14 mm tough double-wall resin and an impact-resistant dark floor, this storage unit ensures long-term durability.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. Jmue Sheds designs for a DIY built sauna. Plastic sheds do not rust like metal sheds, or mold like wood sheds. More and more people choose plastic sheds to meet the needs of outdoor waterproof storage. The structure of the resin shed allows it to last for years as long as it is placed correctly. The wood-look appearance will make your home more beautiful. The built-in floor is designed to make the overall structure more durable and increase the ability of water and insect protection. However, if you need to place something heavy or sharp, it is recommended to place an extra layer of plywood. If you live in an area where there is a lot of heavy rain, place your hut on a platform that is raised above the ground.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.